Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the theme in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to personalize your Gmail experience by changing the theme. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Look for the settings icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Next to the theme option, click on View All to explore the available themes. Step 4. Browse through the different themes and choose the one that appeals to you the most. Once you have made your selection, click on Save to apply the new theme. By following these easy steps, you can easily change the theme in Gmail on your PC, allowing you to personalize your inbox and give it a fresh, visually appealing look. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy customizing your Gmail theme on your PC.